My name is Teresa MacDonald. I'm the Associate Director for Public Programs at the KU Natural History Museum and Biodiversity Institute. Today I'm sharing our Clasp like a chameleon activity. Chameleons are a distinctive and highly specialized group of lizards. One of their interesting specializations are their grouped digits, or their grasping hands and feet, and that's what we're going to be looking at today. So chameleon hands, their digits are grouped together, and same in their feet, only they're grouped differently. So in their hands, digits 1, 2, and 3, or the thumb, the index or pointer, and the middle finger are grouped together, and then the ring finger and the pinky are grouped together. Now in the feet, it's a little bit different. In the feet, digits 1 and 2 are grouped together, and then the middle finger, the ring finger, and the pinky are grouped together. We're going to focus on looking at their grasping hands. What we're doing here is we're playing a game inspired by the game Twister. Now, Twister is a classic game in which you twist and turn your body to touch different colored squares on a game mat. So what we need for this activity is a pair of mitts. It can be a pair of oven mitts. It can be a pair of mittens. If you don't have any of those, you can just use tape to group your digits together to make the grasping points. Just be careful that you don't use tape that's going to hurt your fingers. You need some large object or space to serve as the game area. You want something that has lots of different ways that you can grasp it. So you want something that has sections that you can mark out for different colors, and I'll get to that in a minute, that you can grasp from above or below or from front or behind. I'm using a chair. Bicycle, I think, would work well if you had railings along stairs inside your house, or perhaps on your porch or your deck. You also want to use some colored tape or stickers or something to mark different sections. You want to have 4 different colors, again modeled on the Twister board game, of red, blue, green, and yellow. You can use different colors if they work better for you. I didn't have any colored stickers, so I used just ordinary tape, and then I colored in different colors with colored pencils to mark the different sections. So this arm is a green, this one is a red, this leg is a blue, up there is a yellow. Now there's an option in the downloadable activity, which is a template that you can use to make your own board game if you want to do that. So there's the different colors for the right hand, and then the left hand, and then whether you grasp on top or on front, or below or behind, depending on the shape of the object that you're grabbing. And then I made a spinner just out of a piece of straw and then a toothpick. So you can use it to say, what hand do you need to move where next? So that's an option. And I did a series of spins before so that I will use that to model the game. So how you play the game is you put on your mittens to group your digits together. So if you imagine this is your hand here and this is how you normally wear your mitt, I think of it as basically wearing your mitts backwards. So you flip it around and you group these 3 digits together, okay, in the large part of the mitt, and then you group your ring finger and your pinky here. So you've got digits 1, 2, and 3 in the large part, and then 4 and 5 in the other part. And again, you want to grasp around this joint. You can put on the other one. Again, the same way. You want to have 1, 2, and 3 in the large part and 4 and 5 in the other. So you want to use that to grasp the different sections and follow the model of the game. So as I said, I did a series of spins before. So I'm going to walk through those spins to model how the game is played. My first spin was with my left hand on a red part, on top or on front. And this is one of the red parts on my chair here, so I would grasp it on top like this. Then my next spin was my right hand on blue from below or behind. And this is one of the blue sections on my game chair here, so I would grasp it behind like that. The next spin was my left hand on green from below or behind. And so this is a green piece here, so I'm going to grasp it from below. Then my next spin was with my right hand on yellow, on top or on front. And this back piece here is yellow, so I would grasp it on the front like that. You can make it more challenging by playing with other members of your household. And that is our Clasp like a chameleon activity.